When you were young, you had a future of gold, living the dreams of a story untold. But the love is lost and the treasure is wrong. The day is short and the night is now long, but you've gotta hang on. Life is a novel that you're writing on stone, a beautiful song that you're singing alone. And when you reach the passage that'll never belong, you're tearing the pages of an image you've drawn, but you've gotta hang on. The heavy darkness that you're making it through foretells the day when you're beginning anew. There's little to say when the glory is gone, but the weakest times are when you see that you're strong. So you've gotta hang on. The troubles of life will never last long, and the darkest night has the happiest dawn. So you've gotta hang on.